my YouTube channel. So today I have come to my friend's house and we would be baking together. This is my friend Shawnee. So what we are going to bake today, two flavored cake. So Shawnee, so অনেকদিন ধরে আমার খুব ইচ্ছা ছিল আমি কেক বানাতে শিখবো। সো আমি ইউটিউব দেখে বানাবো, এর থেকে বেটার আমার ফ্রেন্ড জুই, আমার অনেক দিনের বন্ধু, একসাথে কাজ করেছি আমরা লাস্ট 6 ইয়ার্স। সো ও আমার খুব ক্লোজ ফ্রেন্ড অ্যান্ড ও দুর্দান্ত মানে সব কিছু বানায়, কেক বিস্কিট সব কিছু ভালো বানায়। নো এক্স্যাক্টলি নো অ্যাকচুয়ালি। সো আজকে ওকে ডেকেছিলাম যদি আমার বাড়িতে চলে আয়, কালকে এসে আমার বাড়িতে ছিল। সো আজকে আমরা খুব সুন্দর করে কেক বানাতে চলেছি অ্যান্ড ও আমাকে শেখাবে কেকটা কীভাবে তৈরি হয়। অ্যান্ড সামনে আমার হাজব্যান্ডের বার্থডে, সো আমার খুব ইচ্ছা আমি ওর জন্য খুব সুন্দর একটা কেক বানাই।
So we are not professional, just ignore our misperfections, please.
Okay, so
let's get going. Let's get baking.
And she's making me understand how to make this cake. Tell me.
Okay, hi friends, we are baking together. So I'm just dreaming. Oh, this is a pizza tray, but I'm going to use it to make cake today, and that would be a double boot. One strawberry flavor,
Yes.
and one chocolate flavor. So this is Hershey's syrup, chocolate flavor, and this is strawberry syrup. So right now I'm just greasing my pizza pan for the cake, obviously, and then I'll
And what have you done this?
These are eggs. I have beaten 2 of the eggs separately in a bowl, and then I will just stick some flour on it. Okay, so that our cake doesn't stick to the bottom.
So why we do that?
We do it for that if there is any chance, though it is non-stick, it won't stick, but still to get the full result, the cake doesn't stick to it, so we do it. After greasing, you need to shift flour like
A little amount of maida will be great. Flour over there.
Yeah. Like this. Okay, so it is covered now. Now we will prepare our cake. So I'm going to use a big bowl for it. This is 2 eggs beaten. I'll pour into it.
So do we need to mix salt?
Yes. Okay. Yes.
So how much amount of salt you
Yeah, I'm
use?
going to tell it. First, I'll take sugar.
Okay.
So if I'm taking this cup for the measurement, so 2 cups flour I'm going to take.
Okay.
2 cups flour means 1 cup of the same measurement sugar.
Okay.
So 1 cup sugar. Or I'm going to use a little bit because I don't want much sweetness.
Too much sweetness, yeah.
So I'm pouring it in.
Okay.
I'll just try to dissolve in it. I have just sifted some amount of sugar left. I will be leaving like that only. And now I'm going to add flour. Roughly 1 cup.
So 2 cups of maida.
Roughly 2 cups of maida. You need not to just fill it up because I have previously taken lesser amount, so I'm just filling it up. 2 cups of maida or plain flour. Now I'll add baking soda or baking powder as you like. 2 teaspoons baking soda. So you need to just fold it in. You need not to vigorously shake it. I will just fold and cut. Fold and cut. Fold and cut. So guys, I have some milk left here so that if my batter gets so thick, then I'm going to make it little bit thinner.
So Jui, tell me, how did you make this batter?
Actually, my batter is now ready. You can see the bubbles coming out of it.
Yes.
So there is a trick. So the trick is like you have to fold it in and then cut it like this. Fold it in from one side and cut it like this. Fold and cut. This will incorporate more bubbles. You can see it. So you need not to vigorously just swing it like that. Just fold, cut, fold, cut. So now
The thickness will come, right?
Now I will divide this batter into 2. So I have divided this batter into 2 because I have 2 flavors. So you can just prepare it separately or you can separate after preparing. So first I'm going to use the strawberry one. So I will just use Hershey's syrup, that is strawberry flavor. So I'm going to put it in. See the nice color?
Wow.
So this is already sweet, so I have used less sugar in it. Same, I'll just fold, 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 cut, fold, cut, fold, cut, fold, cut. So one thing guys, you need to know that if you are using syrup kind of thing to flavor your cake can turn to be little sticky like brownies and all. So don't worry about it. It is mushy. Even if it is mushy, that is very tasty. So see the nice color it has. This is the benefit of using syrup and not food colors for it with flavor. Yeah, I can just eat right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I will just clean my spoon as I have to use in other batter. So for this batter, I'm going to use chocolate one. Just a little bit.
Oh.
And for this I will be using less amount because I have some broken chocolate. So I couldn't get those cooking chocolates, these lockdown. So I have used one Dairy Milk chocolate for the small cake. You can add more if you want. So you need not to just melt it like that. It will get melted or it will just stay in a place in cake. So it will look
I'm
good.
feeling like I will eat it right now. Oh
Yes,
my
you
god.
can eat it right now. I'm trying hard to make this cake look more tasty
Yeah.
and happening.
I have asked Chewy how to make cake. Actually, I'm thinking that I will make cake at my home. So that's why I asked my friend to please come to my home and make me understand how to make a cake. So she's learning. She's making me understand how to make this cake.
So guys, 2 of my batters is
Yeah,
ready.
yes.
So I'll just put it in our pizza pan we will use for making cake.
So let's
there's
see.
the trick. Now I'll quickly clean it. You need to use your clean hands, okay? I'm getting messy here. Coming to it, and right now I'm going to show you the trick of double baking. So yeah, first I'll put chocolate one scoopful at the center. So I'm not going to use the same spoon. I'll use this batter now at the center. So as my spoon is a little bit small, so double scoop. I guess I will go for triple one. Yeah. Then again this chocolate one. You need not to be like very neat for it because it will taste good. It is fruit flavor and it will look good. So if you don't get strawberry flavor, you can make it with plain vanilla flavor and maybe it will look tricky, and you can just use vanilla flavor here and strawberry over it and chocolate over it. 3 or 4 as
Whatever you like,
yeah.
right? Looks like so tasty, so yummy.
Just a little tricky one, but guys, believe me, it will come out very nice.
Wow.
So this is the final look, and I'm just going to carve something in it.
Wow.
So you can use chopsticks, you can use any stick. So I don't have any chopstick here, so I will just use my scissors for it. See. So this is my final cake result, and I'm just going to put it in. So I'll bake it in convection mode in microwave at 180 degrees Celsius. And as it is a pizza tray, so I will just keep it for 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to check it if it is cooked or not. And after that, if it doesn't cook, then 5 minutes more. So you can adjust your time accordingly. So let's get going. So guys, here is my cake in pizza tin. So this is the final result. So what I'll say, then you get your own flavors for it, as I have chose 2 flavors which is available in this lockdown. So don't expect to be a professional one, but I can bet this is very tasty. So I'm just going to cut it now. See, I need not to cut this also because it's so fluffy that it has detached itself.
It looks so yummy.
Guys, I have detached it, and I will just simply decorate it. Yay! And now strawberry flavor, because we have used the 2.
Dot 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 dot.
So you need not to be perfect. If it is dripping, then it's also okay. Yeah. So guys, we have been baking that. So how you like it? Please tell us in the comment section. So Shawnee, what do you say about our cake then?
Definitely, it is amazing. So yummy, so tasty. Oh my god. Definitely, we will show it to you, and I will definitely make it for my husband.
Thanks so much. Thank you, Jui, for making me understand how to make
So
this.
Shawnee, it's been great baking with you after so many
Yeah.
years, and during this lockdown I was not able to go anywhere or come to my friend's house. So this time I thought of just baking together so that we can gel up with our friendship also, and with a sweet treat. So
Correct.
please guys, let me know in my comment section that how you like my recipe and our get
You
together.
will not like. You will love.
Yeah, you will love it, I think. So till then, bye bye. Stay tuned.
Love you all.